blessing in disguise. What does this idiom mean? A bad thing that turns out to be good. B, a good thing that turns out to be bad. C, something ordinary that looks special. A bad thing that turns out to be good. A dime a dozen. What does this idiom mean? A, expensive and rare. B, common and cheap. C, worth a lot of money. B, common and cheap. Beat around the bush. What does this idiom mean? A, to avoid getting to the point. B, to speak directly and clearly. C, to destroy something completely. A, to avoid getting to the point. Bite the bullet. What does this idiom mean? A, to avoid a painful situation. B, to endure a painful or difficult situation. C, to take an easy way out. B, to endure a painful or difficult situation. Break the ice. What does this idiom mean? A, to end a relationship. B, to do something to make people feel more comfortable. C, to damage something beyond repair. C, to do something to make people feel more comfortable. Call it a day. What does this idiom mean? A, to work extra hours. B, to stop working for the day. C, to finish a task late at night. B, to stop working for the day. Cut corners. What does this idiom mean? A, to take shortcuts that reduce quality. B, to work more efficiently. C, to avoid. A, to take shortcuts that reduce quality. Easy does it. What does this idiom mean? A, to go fast. B, to be careful and slow. C, to make something simpler. B, to be careful and slow. Get out of hand. What does this idiom mean? A, to be managed well. B, to give up control. C, to become out of control. C, to become out of control. Idiom, cost an arm and a leg. What does this idiom mean? A, very expensive. B, cheap and affordable. C, moderate in price. A, very expensive. Idiom, cry over spilled milk. What does this idiom mean? A, to waste milk. B, to complain about something that cannot be changed. C, to be overly sentimental. B, to complain about something that cannot be changed. Feel a bit under the weather. What does this idiom mean? A, to feel slightly ill. B, to be extremely cold. C, to be excited about the weather. A, to feel slightly ill. Every cloud has a silver lining. What does this idiom mean? A, all bad situations have a positive side. B, all clouds have silver in them. C, some situations are just negative. A, all bad situations have a positive side. Cut to the chase. What does this idiom mean? A, to focus on the main point. B, to drive very fast. C, to avoid the subject. A, to focus on the main point. Barking up the wrong tree. What does this idiom mean? A, to make a correct assumption. B, to look for something in the wrong place. C, to be lost in a forest. B, to look for something in the wrong place. Wrap your head around something. What does this idiom mean? A, to become confused by something. B, to be curious about something. C, to understand something complex. C, to understand something complex. No pain, no gain. What does this idiom mean? A, success comes without effort. B. Avoid all pain to succeed. C. Hard work is required to achieve something. C. Hard work is required to achieve something. Let someone off the hook. What does this idiom mean? A. To make someone angry. B. To release someone from responsibility. C. To give someone a punishment. B. To release someone from responsibility. It's not rocket science. What does this idiom mean? A. It's very easy. B. It's an impossible task. C. It's extremely complicated. A. It's very easy. Get your act together. What does this idiom mean? A. To organize your thoughts. B. To start behaving properly. C. To begin a new task. B. To start behaving properly. Keep your chin up. What does this idiom mean? A. To stay positive in a difficult situation. B. To look up to someone. C. To exercise regularly. A. To stay positive in a difficult situation. Kill two birds with one stone. What does this idiom mean? A. To achieve two things at once. B. To fail at two tasks. C. To harm two animals. A. To achieve two things at once. Cut someone some slack. What does this idiom mean? A. To be lenient or forgiving. B. To be strict with someone. C. To ignore someone. A. To be lenient or forgiving. Down to the wire. What does this idiom mean? A. To be relaxed and unconcerned. B. To prepare in advance. C. To be very close to a deadline. C. To be very close to a deadline. Cross that bridge when you come to it. What does this idiom mean? A. To prepare for something in advance. B. To deal with a problem when it happens. C. To avoid crossing a bridge. B. To deal with a problem when it happens. Cold turkey. What does this idiom mean? A. To suddenly stop doing something. B. To enjoy a meal. C. To feel very cold. A. To suddenly stop doing something. Clam up. What does this idiom mean? A. To open up emotionally. B. To eat seafood. C. To become silent suddenly. C. To become silent suddenly. Change your tune. What does this idiom mean? A. To sing a new song. B. To change one's opinion or attitude. C. To switch the music. B. To change one's opinion or attitude. Break the bank. What does this idiom mean? A. To save a lot of money. B. To spend all your money. C. To physically break a bank. B. To spend all your money. Back to the wall. What does this idiom mean? A. Being in a difficult or desperate situation. B. Standing near a wall. C. Relaxing against a wall. A. Being in a difficult or desperate situation. Blow off steam. What does this idiom mean? A. To clean an engine. B. To relax after a hard day. C. To release pent-up emotions. C. To release pent-up emotions. Walking on eggshells. What does this idiom mean? A. To be very cautious. B. To walk confidently. C. To be careless. A. To be very cautious. Under the thumb. What does this idiom mean? A. To be completely controlled by someone. B. To be unnoticed by someone. C. To be hidden away. A. To be completely controlled by someone. Twist someone's arm. What does this idiom mean? A. To physically harm someone. B. To give someone a hug. C. To persuade someone to do something. C. To persuade someone to do something. Turn a blind eye. What does this idiom mean? A. To notice every detail. B. To deliberately ignore something. C. To wear an eye patch. B. To deliberately ignore something. The last straw. What does this idiom mean? A. The final problem in a series that makes you give up. B. The only thing remaining. C. The beginning of a new task. A. The final problem in a series that makes you give up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.